wala kayo doon, sir.
I presided the meeting. There was no intention.
Okay, wala sinabi na magsesecure ang NBI. Wala sinabi na magsesecure ang NBI ng Busan.
Our meeting is about impending impeachment, security preparation. I invited the security manager of GSIS. He was there. He didn't say anything about the NBI arrival here. So it's all.
Sir, binimaintain nyo ba na isang shot lang ang ginawa nyo, sir?
Tatlo daw kasi, sir.
Okay, hindi ka pa kayo, sir. Wala ka tax, sir.
Sir, what did you say na sinasabi walang attack sa Senate?
We are preparing the complete videos. Kasi what they did, they spliced the videos and they just selected the videos that will support their narrative. And I think it's not correct.
What type of narrative? What type of narrative are you may attack sa Senate?
Sabi lang lang ata.
Sir,
But soon, you will all...
naniniwala ba kayo?